In this video, I will show you how to create a Shopify account for free. To do this, you can claim a 3-day free trial and then after that 3 months for free through the link down in the description. So that link is going to take you to this page right here. As you can see, you can get started completely for free without needing to enter any payment or credit card details. So simply enter your email address there and then click Start Free Trial. Then from here, go and set a password for your account and click on Create Shopify Account. Now it will redirect you to Shopify already. Now you can just set up your account or skip the setup process and then it will redirect you to Shopify and you will already now have created your Shopify account completely for free and you can start using it. And even after the 3-day free trial, you get 3 full months for just €1, pound or dollar per month, which is extremely cheap. So again, if you want to claim this deal and be able to create your account as easily as this, you can sign up through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.